Well, it is morning time in my vehicle. I just spilt water all over me. This is the first time in all these different trips that I've ever done that. I'm glad I had extra towels to mop things up with. Oh, but my teeth are brushed. I got that far. And I've washed my face. But my plans may change a bit today. I was hoping to go see these waterfalls, but now it sounds like it's raining out there. So I have to see once I get out. As you can see, it's dark still. So, well, it has got lighter and it's just raining a tiny bit. So I think I'm going to go ahead with my plans of heading to that waterfall in a bit. But if it's only going to rain this much, I'll get out the cook stove and I'll make myself some oatmeal this morning. Falls sounds nice. I like the sound of the water. It was a quiet night. I slept on and off, which is what I usually do when I'm away, but it's funny, I still get more sleep than I do at home because I sleep on and off at home too. But because I kind of fall asleep really early by 9, and then I'm just awake on and off, but I sleep a long time. So the air smells so fresh out here. I love it. So different than my little Main Street apartment. A little look at the falls. The ground is wet, so it must have rained more than I thought. The little falls this morning. Water's rushing a little faster. I can feel raindrops on my head. Let's get moving. Let's get this day started. Oh, the rain has stopped. That did not last very long. I am so pleased with that. It might come back a bit in the air. Anyway, I've got my nice fresh ground coffee made. I have a thermos of decaf made for if I get to my hike or when I get to my hike. And I have oatmeal soaking in my pot there. So I'm going to be having breakfast, and I'm not going to rush it because if it's not going to be bad weather, why rush it? Why just take a day and just relax and just enjoy all nature has to offer. This is Sunday. It's God's day. So I'll be doing some reading and a little bit of studying as well for sure. So I am going to head on my way now. I took a little walk after my breakfast, and I'm going looking for waterfalls, bigger waterfalls. I've decided just to head up this forest road a little further and just see if I can see where those other campsites were, just in case I come back another day. Just have to watch when other vehicles are coming. Sure how far I'll go. Ooh, muddy. Area down there. That's pretty cool. That's 3A. Since I heard people say they stayed at sea, there must be quite a few more areas. So I think I'm going to turn around up here. Looks like a wider spot in the road. It has turned into a beautiful sunny day. So it should be really nice by the time I get to where I'm hiking today. So I am so looking forward to it.
I don't mind if it rains a bit during the night, but make my days beautiful so I can enjoy everything I want to see. God has made some beautiful places, that's for sure.
Well, this is the road, and I don't think I'm going to keep going. And it's all mud. Well, I just happened to see when I was trying to turn around, I met a local, and he said I'd make it across there, no problem, and I did. And I guess there's one more creek crossing before I get to where I want to go. You have to go real slow. He said there's lots of people have lost their bumpers out there. I guess this is the other creek crossing. You took it really easy. A little bit of a steeper hill down. I am so glad I have an SUV. Now on to find the parking lot. Wow. Just gotta take it easy everywhere. Well, I made it to the parking lot. That was actually kind of fun. I can hear the falls. Let's go see what we can see. I decided to go back and get my hiking stick, as I am still dealing with a knee injury from last May that has not healed up. So, better be safe than sorry. You can sort of see it through there. I like that stump. Then I love trees and rocks and mountains and rivers and streams and oceans, and everything natural is way better than built. Though some of the history things I kind of like too. I like ruined castles. Here's a little fall, stream coming down from the mountain, just trickling down there. I can hear the big falls for sure. That's the base of the falls. I don't know if we can see more. We go down here. Oh, it looks like people went right down there. I wonder. Okay, I'll check it out. Oh, wow. I came down these steps. This is pretty neat. Now we go up to the upper falls. There's a platform here. These are pretty cool falls for just a creek. The creek that I drove through.
Well, after the falls and a little read and a coffee, I decided to make my way down the other half of Halton Creek Road, which in many spots has been worse than the first half getting to the waterfalls. Might have been better to go back through the water. Anyway, it's a little bit not too bad right here. A few potholes, but a few crazy sections just a little while ago. Hope you're enjoying the ride. Sometimes I think tires must be so good going over all the things we go over. Anyway, I'll let you go for now. Oh, wow, we hit paved road. Anyway, I'm not sure where I'm going today, so when we get to a place for me to stop, I will figure something out.
Off for another walk. Ooh, I'm getting out of breath climbing. Oh. I had thought of bringing my tent, and I kind of wish I had now, because it would be lovely to sleep down here by this water. But I will just stay parked up there, but I'm going to enjoy my time down here. Surprised that nobody was here. This is awesome. And you know what? I may even get in that water and have a bath tomorrow morning. Or tonight. This is beautiful. Wish it was just a little bit deeper. Because then I would wash my hair. But I am going to do a little bit of laundry in here. Dinner. This one is a mixture of almost everything. It's got dried lentils, it's got kidney beans, it's got other beans, and dried tomato leather and stuff, so it's all in there. And I'm going to add some cooked rice. And that's dinner tonight.
Well, I've had supper. I'm just having a mocha and I'm reading a little bit. I just came inside because I got a little cool. I'm going to put a jacket on and to sit outside more. But this is the end of this video. It was a great day. The sun came out, visited 2 waterfalls, little walks. It's just been a beautiful day. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Watch it, share it, press like, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and you have a great day. Take care now.